Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up custom key settings on the SONY ZV-1 II. So first, to assign those custom functions, you need to open up the camera menu and now scroll a bit down here until you see the setup, which is the yellow icon, and here go over to Operation Customize. Here you can customize the key settings, for example the photo shoot or recording. So it's pretty useful if you want to shoot both often and need different shortcuts. So here we can change the rear and the top. Now let me show you how. Basically here we have the drive mode. Bind it to this little key. Now let me click it, and here we can bind anything we want from the settings. Let's say if we want to grid line type, or maybe we want the zoom speed, we can change it all here. We can also change the image quality or the image size, aspect ratio, and much more, as you guys can see here. So basically we can set keys for every single setting on the camera, and this is how you can do that. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.